Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Mi Pad 6. So in this video, I'm just doing a very quick, simple unboxing, and for the detailed review, I will put that in the next video. So please make sure to subscribe. Now, let's get started, shall we? Let's get started. Mi Pad 6 unboxing. That is the packaging. Some information, basic information on the packaging. Now we take off the film, open the box. Oh, brand new. That is the screen, huge, right? Mi Pad 14. So there is a selfie camera there. Speaker, Dolby Vision Animus, power key, Type-C at the bottom, speaker, volume rocker, nothing here. So that is the, we also have the charging contacts used to, connect to your keyboard. Wow, woo! And that is the camera module. It seems like the took from Xiaomi Mix or Xiaomi 13, right? Feels really good, lightweight, awesome. Ooh. This is the kind of silver cover. As a pad, of course, you wanted to use it to watch some TikTok. So let's check out the sound quality.
Shake your body, don't stop. Baby, wait, shake your body, don't stop. Baby, wait, shake your body, don't stop. Baby, wait,
They always have this strap. So
myself upon the list. She said, why'd you wanna go? How much you wanna? Now we've been take it out. Now we've been don't wait too long. 天人容易犯错，无敌会着火。天人容易犯错，无敌。All night long, don't stop, don't stop. Yo, bro. You're very chill.
the sound not bad. The girls also not bad. Mi Pad 6, Snapdragon 870, Mi Pad 14, 11-inch 2.8K ultra clean screen, 4 speaker, 8,840 milliamp battery, 33 watts charger, and a bunch of video conference tools that supports keyboard and pencil. And that is the Xiaomi Pad 6.